What kind of birdie are you? I don't have anything for you to eat. All the birdies down there. Maybe I'll pick something up and bring it back from Publix, okay? Hi, birdie. What are y'all doing? There are more storks. There's 4, 5, a lot of them. I bought y'all some corn. Hold on. I bought some frozen corn for you guys. Y'all want some? Come on. Come on. Here, come and eat this corn. There's a lot of corn. Bought you a big bag of it. Oh, the baby seagulls. Go get some. There's a lot of corn. I know, well, you got to go over there and get some. Be nice. Them storks are funny looking. Oh, they're big. Come on, duckies. Yeah, there's a whole lot of corn right there. Come on, duckies. There's a whole lot of corn. Them are ibis. They're baby ibis too. Baby ibis. Yeah. They're just little. They're cute. I don't have anything else. All I have is the corn there. He's looking at me like, you got anything else? I don't have anything else.